So what does pragmatic mean? Pragmatic refers to an approach that is practical, realistic, and focused on achieving results rather than being guided by idealism or theory. A pragmatic person or approach emphasizes what works in a given situation, based on experience, facts, and practical considerations. Example: his pragmatic approach to the problem led to a quick and effective solution. Let's look at more examples to help you understand how pragmatic is used. She took a pragmatic approach to budgeting, focusing on immediate needs rather than long-term plans. In business, being pragmatic often means making decisions that are effective and feasible, not just ideal. Rather than debating theories, he preferred a pragmatic discussion on how to fix the issue. In these examples, pragmatic describes a practical, sensible way of thinking or acting, focused on what is achievable and effective in real-life situations. You might be wondering, when should I use the word pragmatic? You use pragmatic when you want to describe an approach or decision that is realistic, practical, and focused on results. It's used when the emphasis is on solving problems in a way that works best in the real world, even if it isn't the most perfect or ideal solution. For example, when someone looks at a problem and chooses the most feasible solution without being swayed by theory or perfectionism, that is a pragmatic decision. Example: his pragmatic decision to delay the project helped avoid unnecessary risks. Quick recap: pragmatic means practical, realistic, and focused on achieving effective results. It refers to an approach that values what works in real-world situations over theoretical or ideal solutions. You use pragmatic to describe decisions or approaches that are sensible and action-oriented. Now you know what pragmatic means and how to use it in different situations.